Banana. I'm so excited to eat some of my bananas.
The noises are crazy.
Holy fuck!
Yeah, make sure to lean into like Ethan and Nick. Yeah, be serious.
This ain't no game.
That's crazy. The auto stability on this is nuts.
I don't know what that means.
It's like stabilizing itself. I'm shaking and everything. It's not doing shit.
So Patrick must have been really going for it.
He was going crazy.
He was on a hoverboard.
I really hope it's recording.
What the fuck does that mean?
If it's blinking the little light, that means it's recording.
If the number on
You
the
want
bottom
my
left is
actually
going up.
bro?
What?
If the number on the bottom left or the bottom right is going up,
Yep.
then you're good.
I got nervous you guys were just gonna eat a shit ton of bananas for nothing.
That's your third one, bro. That's your third one. Yeah.
I'm still finishing my first.
Good luck him.
Doing the banana Sprite challenge. Comment down
I always
below
thought that'd
who's
be
gonna
good.
throw up first.
I'm saying me.
I vote Nick
Does
because
that
he's
make you
eating
throw
like
up?
20 bananas. Yeah, it's supposed to. The potassium and the carbonation
Bro, I
don't
cannot
mix.
suck dick.
You can suck it just fine, sweetheart. I like the noises. You guys should just keep that.
No.
I'm moderately uncomfortable, but it's okay.
I feel like I could post this to like a certain website and it would get a lot of views.
Did someone eat
Like
the pink one?
YouTube?
Not them now.
It made me feel like I'm sick.
Yo, can you pass me the pink one, please? I don't want to eat that.
I don't want to eat
You
anymore,
have that.
man. I'm not eating that
Quick.
shit.
Just reach over this.
Oh god.
Oh.
I'm not clean.
That's not my house.
I'm not giving you a full massage either. Alright, I think that's yeah.
I think we're good.
No, I'm gonna keep filming.
Okay.